I am Dr. Ishwar Prasad, Professor of Chest Diseases, Shadan Medical College and Hospital. Today, a World No Tobacco Day is being organized by the Indian Medical Association. This day marks the will of the population to drop tobacco from all over the world. We have seen that about 1.1 billion people all over the world have the habit of smoking. The commonest diseases due to which people die are heart disease, brain stroke, heart stroke, chronic bronchitis, bronchial asthma, lung cancer. Most of these diseases are contributed by tobacco smoking or tobacco chewing and various other forms of tobacco such as hookah, etc. No form of tobacco is safe. India is the second largest producer of tobacco to the world. India also has the unpleasant distinction of being the third largest consumer of tobacco, both in smoking forms as well as non-smoking forms. These must be curtailed. That's the reason the global statement made by a survey by the WHO tells us that these are preventable diseases and people should be empowered to have awareness that these diseases are linked and they can be stopped, they can be prevented by various forms of action against tobacco usage. Most important, citizen awareness. They must be told that they should not use tobacco because it's linked to at least a dozen diseases which are dangerous. Secondly, it must be addressed to the group which should be in the focus. That is, tobacco is a habit that's picked up in the teenage group, in the high school or in the junior colleges. So all the children must be educated about the dangers of tobacco right from the middle school age, so that they don't pick up the habit, and on the contrary, they will also pressurize their peers to give up smoking. And tobacco smoking, very unfortunately, leads to at least 50% of major diseases in countries like China and India. While in the West, it has come down due to the awareness. In India, the awareness is yet to pick up. We realize that many Indians who belong to the lower socio-economic status, lower educational status, and rural areas consume a lot of tobacco, both in the forms of gutka as well as smoking. No form of tobacco is free of adverse effects. Therefore, all forms of tobacco must be banished. This is by education, helping people who want to give up, and also helping people who don't want to be hit by the side stream of tobacco. And thirdly, we must also take care to see that we have a legislation which is going to enhance the tax on tobacco production. It must ban the advertisements and reduce the advertisements for which the tobacco industry is spending a lot of money. And every tobacco advertisement must clearly be highlighted with the danger more than the pleasure that it gives. With this, we should be able to achieve a reduction in tobacco usage the way the West has done. It's time India and China and developing countries do it.